Ready? So I removed the kits, so there's only one kit on it now. One thing I found is the throttle, it actually doesn't go empty to full. It stays on full for some reason. There are only 3 of them on there. So when I power it off, power it back on, it's actually coming with 3, it's already on full. I don't understand that. Alright, so now it's got enough power to spin the back wheel. That's that's with the restrictor on. But what I found as well, with the restrictor on, what happens is the voltage the current that it's pulling, the wattage, is still around about 700, which doesn't make sense to me. Alright, so now come in close and have a look at this little screen here. So this is with the restrictor on. Can you see it? It's got about 350 watts, 400. Okay, that's with no load. Alright, so now I'll show you going up the hill. It pretty much does the same that it does without the restrictor. So I'll remove the restrictor cable, and this is the cable for the restrictor, it's blue. So I'll remove that. Now it should realistically be 1000 watts. Alright, then I'll do the same thing. The blue cable being connected and the blue cable disconnected. So for some reason, this cable, look at this for a sec. Are you still going? So if you look at this now, this is with the blue cable disconnected. It's actually getting 2000, right about close to the 1000 watts it's supposed to. So none of this makes sense to me.